Hi, I'm Dennis with John Deere and just wanted to take a minute to talk about our Precision Essentials kit. So you can see that here we've got a few things on the board, and really we've got a few different components that make up what we call our Precision Essentials kit. And if we're looking to maybe add precision ag to something on the farm for the first time, or maybe we're wanting to add to some existing fleets we might have already, with this kit, you have the option to get one of two displays. So either the G5 Plus display that we have here, or the G5 display, which is very similar, just a little bit smaller. Starfire 7500 receiver, and then we have the choice of one of two modems, a cellular modem that we put into the equipment, which one of the main benefits of that is we can communicate data to our operations center account. So when you look at this here, again, like I said, it's a kit that we can purchase based on what we're looking for. So please do talk to your local John Deere dealer for more information.